You think your new water heater will last 10 to 15 years? Think again. Modern water heaters look advanced but inside, cheap parts and weak design. Manufacturers cut costs using thinner tanks that rust faster and fail under pressure. Most heaters today barely last 8 to 10 years. Inside, sediment builds up, slowly destroying the system. Cheap thermostats, weak valves, low-quality heating elements. It's all designed to break sooner. So before you trust that new heater, remember, it might be built to fail.
I have a shower stall that started to lose water pressure over time. Living in an area with hard water, this does happen on occasion. So I wanted to share a technique to remove hard water buildup that can accumulate in hard-to-reach areas, like the inside of copper piping. The first thing I did was to remove the cartridge and purge the lines. The water came out at full pressure through both the hot and cold water lines, which feed into the cartridge. I tried installing a new cartridge, but the water pressure at the spout remained the same. So I knew the problem was most likely a hard water buildup somewhere in the pipe that connects the handle to the spout. I had a plumber come by. He said that the only way to fix this was to remove the drywall behind the shower stall and install an entirely new faucet. He quoted me $1,200 for the job. Soaking an item in vinegar works well at dissolving a hard water buildup, so I decided to try to fill up the pipe leading down to the spout with vinegar. Remove the spout. There are a few different ways that a spout can be attached to the copper pipe. This one threads on. I then wrapped some Teflon tape around the copper pipe, wrapped a piece of plastic wrap around the end of the pipe, and secured it tightly with some electrical tape. Any method to block the end of the pipe making it watertight should work. I then took a syringe filled with vinegar and injected it into the opening of the main valve that leads down to the spout. This is undiluted white vinegar that I'm putting in. From all of the research I've done, vinegar appears to be safe for pipes. I first tried this with a turkey baster, but it just made a mess. You may need something accurate that can get into these tiny areas. There's a link to these syringes in the description. This is a Delta faucet. It's the original faucet in the home, which was built in 2008. This technique should work with many different styles of faucets and plumbing applications. Although I haven't tried it, using CLR may also work on a similar situation with rust. Once the vinegar starts to come out of the main valve, we should be good. I then left this to sit overnight for around 10 hours. You may need to let it sit longer depending on how much of a buildup there is. After removing the plastic wrap and tape, I flushed out the main body with some water and then reinstalled the handle assembly. This is the water pressure before. And this is what it looks like after leaving vinegar in the line overnight.
To manufacture high-quality products
the
for
faucet's
the
been completely restored back to full pressure.
Such as canteens,
I hope this is able to help someone with a similar
hotels,
hard water issue.
Restaurants,
Thank you
and
for watching.
facilities. Our company commenced business in 2003. Our product goals are affordable price, satisfaction of user, and ever best quality. The company's mission is to provide the friendly and innovative products, and its vision is to become a leading brand in the industry. The area of our plant is 33,000 square feet, equipped with different stages of processing: cutting, bending, turning, welding, testing, and packaging, and offices, R&D, administrative, and manage. We have a robust testing and examining process for all incoming materials and finished products. All our products are finished, cleaned, polished, and tested before market. Over the years, we have strengthened the production structure and continuously invested in technology to guarantee excellent products. Made of top-quality materials and finishes, our products are engineered to be functional, reliable, and long-lasting. We are providing a full range of fittings, from refrigerations, cookings, to merchandisings and liquid plumbings, with round solutions expanding to the international market. Bestware is full with passions for quality, function, and innovation. We are flexible to fulfill customers' requirements with a deep understanding of what they need and will need. Therefore, we always win our buyers' supports and trusts from our offerings and focus on the total value over the entire life cycle.